Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off lock instantly with side key in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. If you are using the side button to lock your screen, instantly it will be locked. See here, I press one time on this side button and screen will be locked. Okay, so this is called a lock instantly with side key. Okay, if you would like to turn off this option, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to lock screen and AOD and click on secure lock settings and give your current pattern for authentication and confirmation. And here you have to turn off this option, lock instantly with side button. Just turn off this button so that you will not able to lock instantly with side key. Okay, suppose if you press the side button knowingly or unknowingly, it will not lock. Okay, only after 5 seconds, except when kept unlocked by extend unlock, auto lock may be applied. Okay, but before auto lock it will not lock. Okay, see here, actually after 5 seconds it will lock. Okay, when phone screen is off, after phone screen is off, after 5 seconds maybe locked. Okay, yes, locked. Okay, but instantly with side button will not work. Okay, see here. So in this way you can easily turn off or disable a lock instantly with the side button in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.